My folks, Fatima, she did a great service to everybody today. She cleaned out that Joy charcoal stove, scrubbed it down. I'm so proud of that. That thing is ready to be back in action tomorrow night. Got little clothes hanging on the line. It's the washroom over there. Yeah, but we're giving it a break tonight. We're giving it a break tonight because she's cooking fried chicken. Barbecue operations will commence tomorrow, but tonight we're just going with the fried stuff. And you know what? I'm from the South, hell. I grew up eating fried chicken, everything fried, fried okra, fried green tomatoes. Yeah, I'm from the South, and anything we put in that pot, we can fry it. All you gotta do is get it in the pot, it'll fry. So I'm down with it. Oh, baby, get a little dancing in there. My goodness, what's going on? Honey, but I've requested before. My grandmother called from the grave and she wants her tablecloth back. Could you please not wear that shirt anymore? I know it might be comfortable, but you know, she's worried about her tablecloth. Just give it back to her, honey. All right, folks, this sweet potato had a bad end on it, like the North Pole on this dude right here. Well, I say it's the South Pole. I said, babe, just cut the South Pole off that dude, and he'll be straight. See, promise, beautiful. So she had to break out that coconut chopper. Now she'll go back to her little Divvy Mart knife here. But when the heavy duty job came out, she had to go with the coconut chopper, and that's beautiful. So she's gonna fry up some camote. Here they call them sweet potatoes. They call them camote, and that's gonna be some kind of delicious. Gotta hit it with the Jamaican lime, the very old Capitan, and the Casalo. Folks, wiped number one. Done cleaned out this Joy charcoal stove. Ah, shit. Now, once you get that thing in there, it's the bitch to get out. I'd have to turn it over and dump it out, but it's a heavy, sturdy, heavy-duty iron grate. But check it out. She's got that thing all cleaned out, ready to go. Hold on, let me turn it around there. See, just to show you, you got the well, there you go. Got the grill up here, but it's this heavy duty iron grate holding the charcoal. Come down here, and this joker closes. It closes like all four sides, right? So let me demonstrate it. I'll open it up, and you got those air vents. Got those air vents on all four sides, and look, you got to keep them open all the time. I mean, this is a badass piece of equipment, but I don't see any need for this thing here. Okay, you could take this out and just leave all four of those things open all the time, and I don't see any need for the concentric rings that you put on here to put pots, because it's my experience, it's better just to put the fucking pot right down on the charcoal. So if I go camping, not if, when we go camping, the only thing that we'll be taking is what you see here, plus the barbecue grate. I don't know where the fuck it's at. She cleaned it. Over there. See that barbecue grate hanging over there? Now that's lightweight. And if I just put the barbecue grate there, I'm leaving all that extra weight behind, and I can take the barbecue grate off, put the Lodge combo cooker down straight onto the coals, and that's all I need, folks. And I save a lot of weight. So if you want to be expeditionary, that's what you do. Just leave these things at home, and put your pot right down on the coals. Folks, it's a beautiful Sunday here in the Philippines. My goodness. And what I realized shooting on this camera right here what I was doing is sitting in this chair, putting the camera on the tripod, but I think the small little GoPro tripod I got, that's the only product GoPro made that's jam up, is this little tripod. Anyhow, I would put it, and it was greater than arm's distance, and I noticed it was severely cutting down on the audio levels. You know, the audio levels are automatic on the iPhone here. I'm not shooting on any third-party app maybe where you can manipulate that. I'm just shooting on the native app of the iPhone 12 mini. But what I notice is if I get a little bit too far from the microphone on the main camera, it starts picking up everything in the background. Not that it's a bad microphone, it picks up all the background noise wonderfully, but I don't want the background noise. I want to focus in on my voice. So it's like a difference is if I come out here with the audio level versus here, because I have a lot of background noise. I got dogs barking, birds chirping, roosters crowing, tricycles coming by with the loud mufflers, and somewhere in the bushes there's a chipmunk humping a turtle. So far the iPhone 12 mini is doing me right. I think the video quality, shooting 4K at 60 frames per second, is on time for a little tiny cell phone. The audio, now look, the audio is the big problem on any small camera or small cell phone or any cell phone. The audio is a problem. But I think it's pretty damn good on this iPhone. I broke those lavalier mics, so they don't, you know, the clips are broke. They still work, but the clips are broke. I said, fuck it, I'm just gonna use the internal mic. So far, it's working out real well. So far, I'm happy with this iPhone 12 mini, but if they come out with that 13, I might be passing this one on to wife number one, because she loves it. It's a white phone with a pink case. You know, it just looks like Hello Kitty. I got my little snow owl looking thing here. But come out with that iPhone 13, folks, I may have to jam it up, keep stepping up the game. So anyhow, if the past few videos, if the audio hasn't been perfect, hey, shit happens. Okay, life ain't fucking perfect. You know, and that's the problem with the skinny jean wearing Call of Duty shithead generation that we, as in my generation, have raised. Is you want every fucking thing perfect, or you want to fucking complain or see the manager or blah blah blah. And nobody in your life, my young friends, has ever told you to shut the fuck up or fuck off. That's your problem. Okay, with that said, with any camera system, it will take you, you know, a dozen videos before you dial in the audio, you dial in the angle of the dangle, you dial in, you know, what kind of stabilization you're working with. All right, so I'm still dialing it in. So if anybody noticed, you know, some of the past videos, the audio levels have gone down when I'm sitting in this fucking chair. Hey, yeah, motherfucking guilty as charged, but ain't no fucking apology coming out of this motherfucker, because shit happens. It's windy as hell today. It's cooling me off. Maybe it's got a lot of wind noise, but that's another case of shit happens. If you're not a subscriber, folks, bottom right hand corner of your screen, I want you to hit that overstay road sign. I want you to smash that bell. Ring the bell. Yo, Adrian. It's me, Rocky. Who is that ringing that bell? Oh shit, we got Rudy's coming through. We got Rudy's. Hold on. Folks, let me see if wife number one just headed out the door. I may have to take over cooking operations. Baby, is that Rudy? You don't hear Rudy? Honey, Rudy. Yeah. Remember the ice cream guy, Rudy? Yeah. You're not excited? Oh, most every day you are, but I guess today you're not because you're too excited about that chicken over there. Do you want some ice cream? Okay, well, shit, my day just improved. I just saved 50 pesos. Damn, that is not like her to turn down some Rudy's ice cream. But I think she was so locked in on that fried chicken, she couldn't concentrate on Rudy's. Rudy's, man. Don't worry about it. Just come back tomorrow, my friend. She'll be out there getting 50 pesos worth of that dirty ice cream. She said the food's almost ready, but I ain't smoked my cigar yet. I tell you what. Those cigars are so delicious. And they're so fresh. I could just sit there and taste on it for another 4 or 5 hours before I spark it up. I ain't sparking it up now because it tastes too good. I'll wait till the sun goes down before I spark them up. What you done made for me, baby? Talk us through it, baby. What we got here?
French fries.
Yeah.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato, camote.
Onion.
Yeah.
And chicken. Fried chicken wings.
You did a wonderful job, baby.
Rice.
And you got your rice over there. Folks, I'm coming here with the barbecue steak sauce, Heinz ketchup, and a little UFC hot sauce. And she's rolling in with the what?
Soya.
With the datu puti. Now, baby, I wanted to cut that onion. It broke the goddamn knife. I don't know if it's your onion that's messed up or this cheap Chinese knife here. My goodness, what happened? Give me that Bear Grylls, baby.